Senator Adams Oshimole grills Minister of Works David Umahi over 200 million budget for Auchi Benin Road. Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Tank TV. Today we have some compelling political drama to discuss. Former Edo State Governor and current Senator Adams Oshimole recently caused a stir by grilling the Minister of Works David Umahi over the budget of a crucial road project in Nigeria. Now let's dive in. In a heated session in the Senate, Senator Adams Oshimole let loose on the Minister of Works David Umahi for allegedly budgeting a mere 200 million naira for the reconstruction of Benin Auchi Road. This road, a vital artery in the country, has been riddled with potholes and has been a source of distress for commuters and businesses for far too long. Senator Adams Oshimole made it clear to Minister Umahi that this road is a lifeline for our people. How can you possibly justify a paltry 200 million naira for its reconstruction? Do you have any idea the extent of neglect this road has suffered over the years?
This budget has died the growth of 200 million Nigerians because none of those roads that we complain about has a location that will enable any contractor other than contractors who just want to collect some money, and yet Nigerians will what's up. How can you, and I will insist with the permission of the chairman and the co-chair, that you provide an answer as to what you intend to do with 200 million to fix Benin Auchi Road, and how much do you intend to spend per kilometer in that road, so that it can give us a window into how your mind is working that led to this kind of allocation. I emphasize only this, but I also see where, when I look at the overall budget, it will appear that the ministry is more interested in maintaining roads rather than concentrating on your core mandate. The maintenance of roads fall within the purview of FEMA. FEMA is charged with the responsibility of maintaining fair roads. So, for example, I saw where you allocated 1.4 million to replace some roads in about 3 zones in the South. And I'm like, there must be a magician in the Ministry of Works under your leadership. How? We can go page by page. Everything here will lead us to the very dirty past.
Unfortunately, we are unable to get Minister Umahi's response to this, but if we may take excuses for him, could it be that he had to work within the constraint of the budget allocations? Perhaps he did his best to prioritize critical infrastructural projects across the country, and the Benin Auchi Road is not on the agenda. Anyways, just in case he gets to see this video either directly or by proxy, Mr. Minister, this is not about constraint, it's about the livelihoods of our people. The neglect of the road symbolizes a continued marginalization of the region in national development plans. We cannot allow this injustice to persist. Exchange between Senator Oshimole and Minister Umahi sparked intense debate in the Senate, with other lawmakers weighing in on the matter. While some defended the government's efforts, many echoed Oshimole's sentiments, emphasizing the urgency of addressing the deplorable state of the Benin Auchi Road. Sometimes I wonder why the government can budget 15 billion naira for the renovation of the Vice President's residence, but won't prioritize that of the public. The plight of the Benin Auchi Road serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need for accountable and impactful governance. Many thanks to you for watching. Please do well to hit the comment section. Let's get to know what your thinking is, as we shall continually be here to serve you. Thank you so much to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We do not take it lightly. Till we meet again. Bye for now.